Hello, in this tutorial we'll be learning how to create an order. So first let's navigate towards the create order tab. So in the create orders tab, you will be meeting with this interface. It is split into three parts. The first part which you see here is the search bar and the categories filter bar, which is for easier navigation of menu items within the inventory to create an order. Then the second part is this. As you can see, this displays all the available items in your inventory under their respective category. Then towards the right, this is your cart, which is used to enter the details of the order which you are currently creating. So let's create a demo order first. So to create an order, we can click on this add button, which is present here, or we can just click on the cart and it will add an item. As you can see, both are work. And apart from this, if you want to add even more items, you can just continuously click on this card. And as you can see, this will be incremented. And in case if you want to remove it, you can click on this minus button or the mouse right click button. Both will decremented by 1. And below this, here you can see the status, that is availability and the number of items available currently in your inventory. So it is 33 available for this and 59 available for this. And similarly, it is for all the items. So once you add the items which are required by filtering the items through the drop down here or by searching the specific items, towards the right, we have two options, that is dine-in and takeaway. By default, dine-in is selected. In the dine-in, you just need to enter the customer name, which is optional. If you don't enter the customer name, it will be stored as guest. So let's enter the customer name, John. And below here, you have to select the table number for which you are booking the order and the floor in which the table is present. This is either for floor 1, floor 2 and so on based on the number of floors which you have. So we'll book an order for table 3 in the first floor. After selecting all this, your mandatory work for creating an order is done. Apart from this, you can just go through these items which are present here in case you want to add or remove any items which are being added without your notice or accidentally. And here are the special instructions which are like if a customer requires less sugar or anything like that, it is a special note sent to the KDS required by the customer. So let's leave it blank for now and we'll continue with submitting the order. And after selecting everything, we need to click on submit order and it will ask for a confirmation. And once we give a confirm, it will submit the order and we can print the KOT or bill from here. Once it is submitted, as you can see, it is reflected here in the active orders and the submitted order directly goes to the kitchen, which is directly evident here. We can also manage the order from here. Apart from this, once you submit the order, it will be shown as this. Even it will be reflected in the table management or the table view. So let's create another order. As you can see, if any of the table is occupied, it will be marked as occupied. So let's create a takeaway orders now. So for this, we first need to click on the takeaways button. And as you can see, the table options disappear when you select the takeaway because takeaway does not require any tables. Then we can just select the orders which are required. And then just click on submit order and confirm. So let's add a demo note for this. That is less sugar. And once we submit, as you can see, it has been reflected here in the takeaway orders and is sent to the kitchen directly. So let's see the KDS. As you can see, the note which we had given is reflected here in the KDS.